Chapter 11, Building Customer Relationships Through Effective Marketing. Here are the learning objectives for this chapter. Although marketing encompasses a diverse set of decisions and activities, it always begins and ends with the customer. There are 8 major marketing functions displayed on the next 2 slides. First, we have exchange functions, that's buying and selling. Then we have physical distribution functions, that's transporting and storing. And then we have facilitating functions. This is financing, standardization, risk-taking, and gathering. Without marketing relationships with customers, businesses would not be successful. So maintaining positive relationships with customers is an important goal for marketing. Here we have described the customer lifetime value. And there's an example I'd like to share with you. I have a friend that went through some training at Pixie when she started working there a while back. And when she learned about the customer lifetime value during that, and so the people at Pixie are taught that instead of seeing your customers as maybe an $8 customer or a $9 customer, depending on the meal that they order, you want to see how you want to put a dollar value on that customer over their lifetime of being a customer. So let's say they get a $7 meal every day for lunch on the work days. So that's really they're spending $35 a week. You times that by 50, that's $1,500 a year. Times that by 10, you've got over $10,000 that this customer will be spending there over the next 10 years. So we need to look at our customers as the value that they're spending over a lifetime instead of just what they're spending that day. Next we have utility. There are 4 types of utility. We've got form utility, place utility, time, and possession utility. Here's a visual clarifying the types of utility. Simply explain, the marketing concept indicates asking customers what they want, giving them what they want, and continuing the discussion with customers. The evolution of the marketing concept. First, we focused on production, and then later Americans focused on selling, and then now we focus on customer relationships. And here's a table identifying the evolution of customer orientation. First we were concerned with products, then sales, and now we're more concerned with the actual customer. Here are the exact steps to the implementation of the marketing concept. First, we must obtain information about its present and potential customers. And then the firm must use the information to pinpoint the specific needs and potential customers toward which it will direct its marketing activities and resources. Next, the firm must mobilize its marketing resources. And last, the firm must obtain marketing information regarding the effectiveness of its efforts and be ready to modify any or all of its marketing activities based on information about its customer and competitors. Marketers should understand the difference between consumer markets and business-to-business markets. Consumer markets sell to us, while B2B or business-to-business markets sell to other businesses. Some companies sell to both markets. The marketing strategy always includes the target market and the marketing mix. The target market is usually a narrower group of people, such as women aged 25 to 40 who are working mothers that live in Central Michigan. That would be a target market. You want to identify a group that you can actually market to in the same way. So you can't market to young women and old women in the same way. So you need to narrow down that target market to a way that you can actually market to that entire group. So here are some approaches for selecting target markets. And then next you have one marketing mix for the entire market. So a marketing mix is the product, price, the promotion, and then the distribution of the product. So all four of those things need to be directed to the target market. Market segmentation is required because different consumers have different needs. Marketing efforts directed at the wrong target market are wasted. Here are the common bases of market segmentation: demographic, psychographic, geographic, and behavioristic. So like I said before, the marketing mix is the product, the price of the product, the means chosen for its distribution, and the promotion of the product. The next chapter we will cover the product and price, and then the chapter after that will focus on distribution and promotion. The marketing environment forces impact the marketing mix decisions, as you can see in this visual. When combined, the four ingredients make the marketing mix. The ingredients are controllable elements. A firm can vary each of them to suit its goals and target market needs. All of the firm's marketing activities can be affected by external forces, which are generally uncontrollable. Because the forces of the marketing environment are subject to change, marketing plans have to be updated frequently. The next two slides list the components of a marketing plan: the executive summary, environmental analysis, the SWOT analysis, marketing objectives, marketing strategies, marketing implementation, and then performance evaluation. Measuring the sales potential of specific market segments can help an organization make important decisions. To assist with complicated predictions, many companies utilize sales forecasting software. Marketers have a wealth of data accessible through two major channels, a marketing information system or marketing research. The internet has made marketing research easier and cheaper than ever before. And here are the 6 steps of marketing research. First, you define the problem, make a preliminary investigation, plan the research, gather factual information, interpret the information, and then reach a conclusion. Technology has allowed even small firms an unprecedented level of access to high-quality data. The next 2 slides lists the sources of secondary information. So because firms' success depend in large part on buyers' reactions to marketing strategy, it is important to understand buying behavior. Consumers' buyer behavior differ for different types of products. As every taxpayer knows, not all income is available for spending. We've got personal income, disposable income, and one of the most important ones to marketers is discretionary income. consumer buying decision process and possible influences on the process are identified in this visual. Business buyers are generally better informed than consumers and consider product quality, its price, and the service provided by suppliers. And that is it.